And the Chinese get Nanjing CJ6 wins. One up over the top they go and facing each other once again.
He's a lot higher than him.
In number 86, you look closely, you'll see it printed on the sides of the airplanes. Number 86 is Bill Mills. Number 35 is Charlie Lynch. CJ6 is capable of aerobatic flight. The flight envelope supports up to 6 positive and 3 negative G's. The Nanchang CJ6A is a descendant of the Yak-18 first produced in Russia by the Yak-18 design bureau in what was the former Soviet Union. This aircraft and this demonstration is a much improved version of that early Yak-18, designed and refined by Cheng Bushi, I should say, pronouncing his name correctly, and his team for the Chinese Air Force. And now as they maneuver separately, they're going to be joining up in some tail chasing here, simulating a combat sortie. And that'll come easy for Bill Mills. He's a 1986 graduate of the United States Naval Academy. Rose to the rank of Lieutenant Commander of the United States Navy. Flew F-18s out of NAS Cecil Field in Jacksonville. He did 2 tours flying combat sorties during Desert Storm from the decks of the USS Forrestal. He's currently a regional sales director for a Fortune 200 computer company based in Santa Clara, California. Charlie Lynch, a longtime member of the American Top Guns team, owns one of the team's Yak-18. It's also known as the Nanchang CJ6. There's Yak Gray in the Squad Aviation red Mercedes SL 500. Yak, another beautiful flowing performance. Beautiful flying, beautiful music. Yak Gray. Give him a wave and a round of applause as he comes down in front of you. Charlie Lynch's aircraft is autographed by Chen Wuxi, the Chinese aeronautical engineer who designed the aircraft type back in 1954. And the Chinese as the CJ6. Here they are.
Hey!
Nice 6 and 8 formation. But that 285 horsepower gives the airplane a top speed of around 250 in two-ship formation. Number 86 is Bill Mills. Number 35, Charlie Lynch. They come by in a high-speed pass. Charlie Lynch first up. Into the bridge. Keep flying on a right turn to set up for the downwind portion of the traffic pattern. Parallel to the landing runway and in the opposite direction. Landing gear is extended. I could say he lowered the gear, but these airplanes go upside down, and he just as easy.